Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is gonna be just a random video. I just lost right now. I don't know. You order party treats for like the candy table and stuff like that, like the pretzels dipped in chocolate and stuff like that. I came across one that were gummy bears in Chile, and I was like, wait a minute, let me just make them myself. And I just want to share with you guys how easy it is to make. All you need is like 4 ingredients. I will show you guys how to make them. I did want to mention that you could probably also use chamoy with a little bit of lemon. And I also added a little bit more of the chile powder just because you don't want them soaked in the lemon. Kind of stay dry a little. You could do these for birthdays, birthday parties, like snacks. Because we're having friends over and I want them to try it out. I was gonna purchase, like I said, I was gonna purchase them, but they're really expensive. And I figured I already have the ingredients, why not make it? And I just want to share with you guys how to make it too. They're really easy. All you need. I do ask you guys to please subscribe to our channel. I might do random stuff like this when I make stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it's resourceful for you guys to do it. And let me know if you guys want any more videos of this. I do. Subscribe, like, and share. We will be doing more videos. Right now, right now it's just myself. But yeah, let me know if you guys want more of these videos. And here we go. Let's get started with the ingredients. Okay guys, this is what you're gonna need for the gummy bear chiles, whatever you want to call them. You could use any type of chile you like. This one I prefer because it's really spicy. This one's kind of like tajin. It's really good too. A lemon, limon, lime. Any gummy bears that you may like, or gummy worms, whatever. Tupperware or whatever. So let's get started and I'll show you how you do it. So you just basically put all the gummy bears. Okay, so you just put the whole gummy bears in. And these are really good to just snack on sometimes. I've been seeing these around. A lot of parties, events have them. So I figured, let me do my own. Okay, so that's enough. That is 1 bag that contains 5 ounces. A cutting board for the limon. So you grab your limon, cut it. You don't want to drench this, so I'm just going to use half of it because it's only a little bit. So, guys, this is already making my mouth water. So, half a lemon should be fine. Now, like I said, you can prefer whichever. I like mine spicy, so I am going to put the spicy one. And you put a good amount, however you like it. Now comes the fun part. Mixing it. Now this flavor that is here, it's kind of like a tropical flavor. So I have like piña and all that. And that's how easy you make the gummy bears.